How to change Windows wallpaper in every 10 seconds. Today I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So usually what you would do is go to personalize and then go to background. So the first thing you do is set your background as a slideshow. Select your folder to slideshow the pictures. And the only interval you can do minimum is 1 minute. So if you want to set this to 10 seconds or even less, what you can do is just go to your registry editor first, search for registry editor, hit enter, and then click on yes. Now, once you open your registry editor, just go to this location. So I'm just going to copy this and then paste it right here, hit enter, and you'll be right here on the desktop slideshow. Now you'll have something called interval here. If you don't see it, just go to personalization, click on the drop down, and then click on desktop slideshow. You'll find something called interval. Double click on it and then change it to decimal value. So this right here means 60 seconds. So it's given in milliseconds. So it's 60 times 1000. So you're going to have to enter the value according to that. So if you set this to 10,000, it's going to be 10 seconds. Now, if you want it to be 5 seconds, you can change it to 5,000 and so on. So that's how you basically change your interval on Registry Editor for your desktop background. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.